Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this particular video I'm going to show how you can actually run your installation wizard on your DStv Explora Decoder if you are living in South Africa. So whenever you switch on your decoder for the first time, this will be the page that will pop up on your screen. We have the language option, so you have to select your preferred language. You're gonna go in with English. If you can speak Portuguese too, you can just select the Portuguese and then you move on with it with the same steps. So you press OK on it, and here we have the satellite page. So on the satellite, you need to select the IS20. Since you are living in South Africa, you have to select this exact satellite. That's the IS20, and you press OK with it. So when you come here, you need to select the manual setup and then you proceed, and you have the LNB type. To the LNB, okay, the LNB type have to be the unique cable TM/CR, since you need a unique cable LNB to actually install the Explora Decoder. So make sure that the signal status is showing, indicating that there is a signal from your satellite dish. Then you come down to the scan option to actually press OK to proceed. So after pressing OK and it's unable to scan, all you got to do is to check your satellite dish or the signal cable to actually get a stable signal in order for it to proceed with the scanner. After scanning, if it's a new decoder, you have to call the DStv office and then provide them with a IUC or the smart card number of the decoder, and they're going to do the necessary activation right there for you. If that happens to be your first time being on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.